In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bold text on LinkedIn. If you've ever wanted your LinkedIn post to stand out a little more, adding bold text can help draw attention to important words, headings, or key points. LinkedIn doesn't include a built-in bold formatting button for regular posts. So the easiest way to do this is by using a text formatting tool that converts your text into bold style characters you can paste directly into LinkedIn. To begin, open your browser and go to the LinkedIn text formatter on TypeGrow. This is the tool we'll use to generate the bold version of your text. Once the page loads, you'll see a text field where you can enter the content you want to format. Next, click into that text field and type the text you want to make bold. This could be a headline, a short sentence, a call to action, or just a few words you want to emphasize in your LinkedIn post. It's usually a good idea to keep bold formatting limited to the most important parts, so your post still looks clean and easy to read. After entering your text, look below the text field for the option to copy the formatted text. At this point, you can choose the font and bold style you'd like to use. The tool may show you different variations, so take a moment to pick the one that looks best for LinkedIn and is easiest to read. Once you've found the style you want, copy that formatted text. Now head over to LinkedIn and open your feed. Click into the Start a Post field, just as you normally would when creating a new post. This opens the Post Composer, where you can begin writing or editing your content. From there, simply paste your bold text into the post field wherever you want it to appear. You can place it at the beginning as a headline, in the middle to highlight a key message, or anywhere else on LinkedIn where pasted formatted text is supported. And that's it. You've successfully added bold text to LinkedIn using a text formatter. As a quick tip, always preview your post before publishing to make sure the bold text displays the way you expect. Subtle formatting usually works best, especially on professional platforms like LinkedIn. Use it to improve readability and make important information stand out without overdoing it. That's how to add bold text on LinkedIn quickly and easily.